Onions are a sweet smelling that is used as the base for certain recipes and assist types of food with accomplishing their genuine flavor potential. Nevertheless, be attentive while getting ready onions. A lot of the enhancements are found in the outer layers and can be lost if the onion is overstripped. Make an effort not to fear crying when you cut onion. Top 6 health benefits of onion. 1. Onions are beneficial against cancer. Quercetin is more than just an intriguing-looking word. It's moreover a plant flavonoid, another smart word that suggests plant conceal, that has incredible self-fortifications, which fight against threat welcoming on free radicals. Free radicals are substance fathers that hurt cell movies and cause cell death. Onions are rich in quercetin and thusly is a viable weapon in the war against harm. Onions could protect against cancer. 2. Calming. Onions have moderating properties, help the people who experience the evil impacts of joint torture and joint aggravation. Regardless, the upsides of betalain isn't obliged to those with swollen joints. All sickness is built up in relentless irritation, and, thusly, everyone should look out types of food with moderating properties. Like the onions. 3. Onions are boosting the immune system. Onions contain both nutrient C and phytochemicals that development the sufficiency of nutrient C in your body. That's mean progressively worthwhile, all the more remarkable and vulnerable system. 4. May benefit heart health. Onions contain cancer prevention agents and exacerbates that battle irritation, decline triglycerides and lessen cholesterol levels, all of which may bring down coronary illness hazard. Their powerful calming properties may likewise help decrease hypertension and ensure against blood clusters. Since it's an intense mitigating, it might help decline coronary illness chance components, for example, hypertension. 5. Onions contain antioxidants. Onions are a superb offspring of antioxidants. Truth be told, they contain more than 25 unique assortments of flavonoid antioxidants. Antioxidants are intensifiers that repress oxidation, a procedure that prompts cell harm and adds to illnesses like malignant growth, diabetes and coronary illness. Red onions, specifically, contain anthocyanins, unique plant shades in the flavonoid family that give red onions their profound shading. Doctors contemplate have discovered that individuals who expend more nourishments rich in anthocyanins have a diminished danger of coronary illness. 6. Onions have antibacterial properties. Onions can battle conceivably hazardous bacteria, for example, Escherichia coli, Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Besides, onion removal has been appeared to restrain the development of the Brio pylori, a microorganisms that is a significant general well-being worry in the creating scene. Quercetin separated from onions is by all accounts an especially amazing approach to battle microscopic organisms.